I've got something really interesting to show to you. If you're not familiar with this, this is really cool. I saw one of these for the first time. I must have been 7 or 8. I had an adopted grandmother that used to make us, apple pies, cookies, and that sort of thing. And she had one of these that must have been out of the 1800s. It was cast iron. It operated probably pretty similar to this. They work so well. There's no electricity required. Let me show it to you. It's an apple peeler. They're just so cool. Let me share it with you. It is such an ingenious device. First off, just pull back the knife and it'll be held in place by this bar. And there's a spring lever right here that allows you to just pull back the prongs to load your apple. All right. What I like to do is pull off the stem and then just load it up, just like that. And then reset the knife and then just crank it in. Look at that. And it takes so very little of the apple itself on that thin skin. It wastes no part of the apple at all. Look at that. So fast. And then it goes, oops, I got to clean the knife got caught. And then it starts slicing the apple. Can you see that? Watch. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Then when you get to the end, just throw all this to the side, you simply grab the apple off the core and you'll end up with a hollowed out apple that's been sliced, just like a ham. And then what I do, you'll notice also, look at that. Somebody had a great idea. They said they saw somebody use this on a potato, and the center made potato tots and the outside made potato chips. Real cool idea. I hadn't thought of that. And then simply taking a knife, you can cut halfway through, and you'll end up with these little, almost like a pineapple ring. And you can dehydrate these and they'll make a great snack. I thought that was a clever idea. And then another idea, if you want, you could also go all the way through the apple. And then you end up with these half rings.